Connecting Apple Vision Pro with PS5. In this video, you are going to learn how to connect your Apple Vision Pro to PS5. So let's get started. The first step is you need to connect your Bluetooth controller of PS5 to your Apple Vision. For that, you have to go to Apple Vision, go to Bluetooth and connect controller. So now you are enabled to Bluetooth on your PS5. You just have to hold press the PS button and then you have to hold press this button afterward. The white light will start blinking, which means the Bluetooth mode is enabled. Now you just have to connect your PS5 controller with Apple Vision Pro first. After that, you simply have to go to the PlayStation 5 and turn on the remote play, and then you have to go to Apple Vision PL, and the Apple Vision there is an option for mirror play. You just have to go to that option and then you have to merge your Apple Vision with the PS5 remote play. So afterwards your setup will be done and you will be able to easily enjoy your PS5 on your Apple Vision. That's all. That's how you will be able to connect your Apple Vision Pro to PS5.